All right, so we got the Weber Kettle 22-inch Master-Touch that we're gonna assemble today. So a quick out of the box, put together and review, and then we're gonna do a burn off, and then we're gonna cook some chicken on it. So let's get started. All right, we got everything laid out. So we can start getting it assembled. It's approximately 12:35, so we'll see how long it takes to get it together. All right, so we got, the first step was the base, and you have to make sure this piece goes through the slot first, and you line it up. And then we had to assemble the legs, and then we added this triangle piece that just kind of hooks in and flips over, and this is what's going to be used as the axle for the wheels. So far, no screwdrivers, no tools. Pretty easy to assemble. Just pay attention. All right, so we got it on its legs now. We put the little hubcaps on. Now we're just working on this handle part. You need to get a tool for the nut because the nut's not easily turning. So. Wait, I'm taking a video. All right. So wheels in, the ash cans in. We got the grates in, looks great. And this handle thing all set up. So far, the only thing that I used was like a ratchet for the nuts because they were kind of hard to do by hand. You had to use a tool. Those are your smoker charcoal holders. All right, looks like we got it. Let's get it open. No, go ahead, put it, oh yeah. Ooh. It's a showcase series. So be able to access charcoal and wood. Install the little temperature gauge. And that's it. Now we're gonna do a burn off, and then we're gonna throw some chickens on here and eat them up.
That's right there perfectly.
Look at that. Good job. All right, so we got these Jealous Devil Boom fire starters. And they have like little bombs. They were $8 for a box with 8 of them. But they say they can create a fire for 12 inches high for 20 minutes. So we have a little lighter. Yeah, for a bunch.
Do I put a bunch?
Might as well. I mean, yeah, that's good. All right, so we're gonna do the heat up the charcoals on the chimney, and then let this thing cook off. And that's it. We'll check back and see how that fire looks. So a few minutes in. Here's a few minutes later. You can see we're getting pretty hot down there. That's a good looking flame. All right, so we got some drumsticks and bone-in chicken thighs with skin on it. Seasoned with some butt rub barbecue seasoning. Serious product. And here's our tools we're working with today. We'll put a link in the description, but we got some grilling essentials. Take a little peek at our bomb. It's pretty good.
See, they overlap?
Mm-hmm. Well, that's good. So now it's time for the burn off. So we open up the bottom vents. Dump in the charcoals.
I don't think it really matters if we go over. Oh, that was perfect.
Gotta use a glove.
All vents are open.
Yep, all vents are open.
So we'll do this for
So now we'll let this bad boy get super hot for about whatever,
30 minutes.
20 minutes or so.
I said 30 minutes.
30 minutes. And then, all right, it's been out here for about 10 minutes with all the grates open. And right now we are sitting at just under 500 degrees. So it is cooking everything off inside. There's no more smoke, so we're looking good there. But we're gonna let it rip for another 20 minutes.
See that oil?
Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, so we got some apple wood we're gonna throw on top of the charcoals. Get our UV gloves on. Just separate these.
Well, no, putting them together, but in the middle.
Oh, there you go. And you drop some of your wood chunks. So we get some apple smoke on our little grill. Ooh, they're looking red.
Yeah, let's see what we got.
I'll just do your flips.
Okay, yeah. So this one's 123. So we're gonna flip them. I need better tongs to flip.
All right. What we got there? Sweet Baby Ray?
Yep.